Okay, I'm back with an 18 by 24 inch canvas that I was not super pleased with. And I'm going to put my glasses on for a minute. I'm going to torch, because I just dumped most of the paint off of here. See what happens, see if we get any patterns. I don't want to do too much torching because I don't want to set the paint up any more so than it has been. I'm going to kind of look this over and see what I might be able to add to it. Like right up the middle. I have to like it or it can't stay. And everybody was very unhappy with me that I got rid of that purple ring pour recently. So I'm going to try and accommodate a few people. I have some other nice lilac paint on my skewer, and hopefully I can fully utilize all of this neon that I just put down without making any more mud. So, I need a better plan for my next 18 by 24 inch canvas, I think. I got some swipe potential there. If I was willing to put some white paint down. Let's see, I put my tubing over here, let's see what happens. I'm ready to Rain-X. Maybe in a minute. Maybe I need some more. I know I need some more gold. I always need gold. Got some really nice, you can tell there's metallics in there for sure. I'm going to wipe off my skewer this time. I'm going to dip it in sideways and try and roll it and not lose, what's a better word, the coherency of the gold. That's not really the word I was looking for, but it's what's coming to mind. I would like to save this. I do love 18 by 24 inch canvases. They usually make quite the statement. At this point, it's just giving myself permission to take the time to look at it and see what I might want to do. For accent purposes, I got stuff in the way. Go figure. It's got some really pretty patterns in it now. I'm becoming more fond of it by the moment. I still have lots and lots of paint. I kind of think it needs some more white. And so I will contemplate on that. I think if there is going to be more white, it needs to be, yeah, okay, well, we got it where we got it. And I'm not unhappy with that. And I'm going to try my little spatula right there. And then I'm going to wipe it off on my freezer paper and see what happens. Now, just because I have some brown areas doesn't mean that I should give up. As I made clear to somebody recently, you can always drop other colors on top. I'd like this to not be a waste. I really want something dramatic. That's not it. That's not it. Hey, maybe that's it. Ooh, I like that blue. Let's see what happens when we play with that. I'll get most of my paint out of the way. I know we lose some of the naturally occurring patterns, but I think this is the one to play with. I can stick my skewer in there, although I think I need a longer one with less paint on it. And a fork. I need a fork, and everything needs to be stuck to everything. Okay, well, I can see there's some other stuff in there, including brown. This is not my most graceful piece for sure. And I don't promise not to Rain-X, because it's coming. It's so coming. What else? I like it. I don't think I'm done with it yet. I'm going to keep using my turntable. It's very stripey. Sure doesn't look like it was ever a ring pour. I got a lot of paint still on that canvas. But that leads me to believe that maybe there's some hope that my Rain-X experiment will work well. I have no idea. I don't think anybody can have enough experience with Rain-X. I will be washing my tile off, I want to tell you what. I think it's actually pretty gorgeous now. Sometimes it takes a little time to get used to something, and 20 minutes just doesn't always do it. Do I want more gold in there? I might. Do I want more black in there? I might. Do I want more blue in there? Not so much. Do I mind that big splooge there? Oh, no choice about it. We got some drama going on, that's for sure. Just gonna hold on to my rag so I can wipe my skewer off. I'm gonna dip that skewer right in and pull it sideways. Allow the paint to become agitated. Look for things that don't belong, like lumps, and pull them out now instead of later. Okay, so kind of like the way that black looks over there. So I'm going to take a chance and do it again over here. Hopefully you can see that. Not a lot of it. Okay, I am not unhappy anymore. I'm pleasantly surprised, in fact. I think, should I? Yes, definitely. That's the wrong length skewer, and I'm not gonna put myself out. This is just beautiful. Very dramatic. And we seem to have rescued ourselves from an excess of mud. I mean, we got some brown tones in there, but that's okay. Hopefully I can keep from not... That was not important to do. Alright, so I know I've got some other paint around here and I can fix that. I like these patterns over here. It says I got 10 minutes left. Come on, stop hooking on the tile. Definitely don't think I'd be calling this a ring pour anymore. Yep, that's what I had in mind right there. Just roll that skewer sideways. And then anything that's left on it, If I want to try and put it down somewhere else, I can. I think if I had like all day and I wasn't recording a video, I could probably always get very creative, more so by far. But I don't mind what happens when I'm trying to force myself into like a little time constraint either. So now, before I torch, I am going to Rain-X, mostly because I can. And because I've wanted to, and this one's just taunting me. And I'm going to take my paints, and I'm going to show you Rain-X original formula water repellent for your windshield. And I'm going to turn the the sprayer sideways. I'm going to come way over here where you can't see me. Are you ready? Get ready. It's coming. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got room for a little more up here. And I'm doing it. And I'm really pleased with that. That's making me very happy. And I'm going to just a little more on that one side. I love that. Wow. I hope you can see all of that. That tile is going to the wash basin. I'm going to take some more paint off my edges. I'm going to tell you thank you for joining me and inspiring me and being so kind with your comments and your donations. And I appreciate every contribution you make, because I have no other income. If you buy tools or supplies on Amazon, on my Amazon link, it helps me eventually. A little bit goes a long way if everybody helps. So, I hope you like that as much as I do. I'm pretty impressed with myself. I'm not sure that that's appropriate, but that's the way it is. I got a couple fingerprints on the side I need to fix. But otherwise, I still recommend Rain-X original formula water repellent. And I have a Patreon link and a PayPal link in the description for my videos. And also I have the icons on my YouTube header. And if you want to help me out, that's the way to do it. And if all you can do is watch and enjoy, then you're doing the right thing. So, this is Priscilla, again, in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, using the Rain-X and being very happy with the result on an 18 by 24 inch canvas. And I will be checking for things that I need to fix, but I think everything is pretty darn good, and I'm extremely well happy with this result. It took a while to get here, but we're going to go now. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.